In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a private/role exclusive channel on Discord. If you want a space that only certain people or roles can see, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set that up using Discord's built-in permissions. I'll be demonstrating the process you can follow on the desktop app or in a browser, and you'll need permission to manage channels on your server to do this. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server where your channel lives. You can do this with either a text or a voice channel. Choose the specific channel you want to make private by clicking its name in the channel list. If you're organizing channels inside categories, that's fine. This process works the same way for individual channels. Next, open the channel settings. You can click the small gear icon next to the channel name, or right-click the channel and choose Edit Channel. This is where you'll control everything about that channel, including who can get in. Inside the channel settings, go to the Permissions section. This tab is where Discord manages who can view and use the channel. It's organized to help you quickly see what the default everyone role can do versus what specific roles or members are allowed to do. Find the option for making the channel private. You'll see a setting that marks the channel as a private channel. Turn that on. When a channel is private, it's hidden from everyone by default, and only the people or roles you explicitly add will be able to see it. This is perfect for staff chats, client rooms, or role-based discussion areas. Now add access. Choose Add Members or Roles, then select the roles or individual members who should be able to view the channel. Adding a role is usually better than adding lots of individual users because it's easier to manage over time. Be sure you include yourself or a role you belong to, otherwise you could lock yourself out. Discord will automatically grant the Essential View channel permission, and you can fine-tune other permissions here later if you want. When you're satisfied with the list, click Done to apply the changes. Your channel is now private and will show a small lock icon. Only the members and roles you selected will see it in the channel list. If you ever need to open it back up, return to the same permissions area and turn off the private channel setting, or adjust the allowed roles and members as needed. That's it. Open Discord, pick your channel, edit it, go to permissions, make it private, add members or roles, and click Done. You now have a secure role exclusive channel ready to go.